We're going to talk a little bit about tools.
My name's Keith Underwood. We're at Carl Wunsche Sr. High School, and I'm one of the criminal justice instructors here at Carl Wunsche.
You've got to be able to try to figure out what made that mark.
Today was a fun day. We got to deal with tool marks and tool identification, which is a big part of forensic identification of suspects.
I can take a photograph of that.
It's called profiling a tool, and that's essentially where you start to take those measurements of the blade, start to develop a picture of what this tool is capable of doing.
Oh, you can see the lines.
They were picking up on things that real industry professionals deal with every day.
Look, on the side it has some scratches.
These kids bring something different every single day. It's always trying to figure out, what does this student need from me so that I can put them in the best spot to be successful? And that's different for every single student.
See the scrape marks?
I want them to take into the world the thought that what they do matters, that their decisions do have consequences, both positive and negative sometimes.
It's a good print.
I'm not really doing anything out of the ordinary, I don't think. I'm just giving them a chance. And these kids are amazing when you give them a chance to excel.
Peace be with you all.
And they usually will. They usually outperform whatever you think that they can do.